Okay, so that's the motor serviced. New spark plugs. Look at them. Definitely beyond, they're definitely old. Anyway, so plugs, oil filter, etc. all ready to start, fire up. And then we can concentrate on swapping out the tyres for the Bridgestone H50s that have just landed. These little beauties over here. And doing the brake, bleeding the brakes. Oh yeah, I've got to do the air filter, same as the last one. Definitely needs a clean and a bit of a spray up. Not as loud as the last one, or as my Fatbob either, which is running in similar pipes. Quite reserved for a Harley.